See you again.
Sure.
Ha? Halika. Si Vice Mayor daw gusto sumama. Jerry, si Vice Mayor gusto daw sumama. Halika, maupo kayo, please. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Salamat sa Diyos. Ligtas kayong lahat. At malusog. Malusog naman kayo, no? Good. More than anything else, your safety and you should be top priority ng bawat isa sa inyo dahil kakailanganin kayo ng lungsod ng Maynila. Lalo ngayon, siyempre, economically challenged ang pamayanan. Baka yung ibang mga individual, yung bang pagnasahan yung sitwasyon. So, kailangan lagi tayong alert. But anyway, I think your District Director, General Abad, will have some presentation, then we'll listen to him. Please, proceed.